Hey guys, so welcome to another video. So today I have a review video, one of my favorite things to do. It is on this mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is quite new. At work I just saw it on the stand and I was like, and then my best friend Ahong sent it to me and I was like, and then I saw some TikToks on it and I was like, so now I've hummed 3 times and now I'm really intrigued. So I'm gonna try this out. This cost me $9.99. I don't know much about it because I'm not gonna lie to you. I just thought it was new. I just picked it off of the stand and put it in my basket. So I'm not particularly sure what it entails, but I think, you know, Sky High sounds like it's all about volume to me and curl. So your lashes gonna be reaching the heavens. So I'm just gonna read off of the Superdrug website. It says limitless length, full volume, Sky High. Let me just read the product information. Sky High Lash Impact from every angle. Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara delivers full volume and a limitless length look. Our exclusive Flex Tower Mascara brush bends to volumize and extend every single lash from root to tip. Washable mascara formula infused with bamboo extract and fibers for long full lashes that never get weighed down. Allergy tested. I'm not going to say that because your girl don't know how to say this word. Ophthalmologist. So I presume for eyes, maybe like an eye doctor. Ophthalmologist tested, suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers, removes easily. That's what I like to hear. I do like to hear that, and I also don't like to hear that because when I hear removes easily, I feel like it's going to crumble or it's going to fade and it's going to smudge under my eyes. I'm more of a waterproof mascara kind of girl. But obviously, if this mascara bangs, they're gonna make a waterproof version of this, like they do with all the other range. They're gonna make an intense black, they're gonna make a limited edition, they're gonna make a waterproof. They tend to expand the range if it you know, flies off the shelf. So this is part of their Lash Sensational range, which is obviously one of their most popular mascaras that sells incredibly well. Lots of people love it. Didn't work for me, but this seems to be Sky High, so we'll try it out, you know. I'm all about mascaras. I've used one mascara for many years, I think. I don't know if it's many years. Maybe 2 years or a year now. I think it's 2 years. 2 or 3. It is this one actually, because I did a review on this. This is actually my favorite mascara. This is the False Lash X Fiber Extreme Resist L'Oreal Mascara. 2 ends, one for volume, one for length. Waterproof, does me justice. I'll link the video up here. Right here, and yeah, that's my favorite mascara. It does me justice. My lashes do not curl well. They are incredibly straight. They are somewhat long, not like incredibly long, but they're somewhat long, so I have to curl my lashes. So I'm gonna curl them and see how they go, because the last time I did a mascara video, I think I had a lash lift after that, just to prove, and it was a Maybelline one. It was a Maybelline lash lift. So yeah, let me just get going. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes really quickly. You know how to curl your eyelashes, I suppose, so I'm just gonna do it off camera. Okay, I'll have to work with what I got. My lashes are very stubborn, so I have to basically almost work with a 90-degree angle. So let's go in. This is what the brush looks like. It's very similar to the actual Lash Sensational mascara, and it very much reminds me of their Rocket mascara, which disconned a very long actually they probably still sell it, I'm not particularly sure. So let's go in with a first coat. My lashes, they don't listen to me, and one eye is better than the other. Okay, so that is one coat so far, just on this one eye. And so far it looks nice. It usually looks nice in the first instance for me, and then it slowly starts to deflate. So let me just leave it for a second, and then let me just go with my other eye. Okay, now let me do that first eye one more time. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm kind of impressed. I'm kind of impressed. So I'm just trying to see if there is one end more curved than the other, but I don't know. I think it might be this end that might be a little bit more curved. I don't know if I want to put any more coats on, but this is what it looks like if I'm just looking directly ahead. So to be honest, like, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I mean, right now it is not that bad. Because if I used my L'Oreal, my eyelashes would be touching my eyebrows, or it'll be touching the lid of my eyes. So it's not that bad. So far, even though it's not a waterproof mascara, only waterproof mascaras honestly and truly hold up on my eyelashes. So far right now, it's not that bad. So if you got lashes that actually don't rebel and that actually work with normal mascaras, this would probably really do you well. It'll do you justice, I think. Because this is nice. Okay, let me just see if I can do my lower lashes, if that's possible. Because with my other mascara, I can do both my top and bottom lashes with ease. So these are my lashes after 2 coats on the top or on my upper eyelashes, and on my lower lashes 1 coat. And this is what it looks like. So to be honest, it's not that bad, but for me, I've had better. Still, you can still see my lashes. It's still slightly holding a curl. But I can already see these lashes are slowly deflating. It's not bad for a quick brush and go for me, I suppose. If I just want to quickly pop it on and go out the door, I suppose that's perfectly fine. But if I'm going to be doing like an all natural look, so if I'm going to do a look like this, I want my eyelashes to really be out there, because otherwise what is going to be the center of your look? Well, for me anyways, I usually like to have my lashes really out there, so you know, they look bright and they look open and they look, you know, nice and cheery. But to be honest, for me, I don't think it's a mascara that I'm gonna keep using consistently. It's definitely, I can definitely say it's a really nice mascara for a quick top up and go. But for volume, for length, for holding up a curl, I don't think this is the mascara for me. But again, we're all different. We got all different eyelashes, all different types of hair. So right now, although it doesn't, because I'm looking at my monitor, and although it doesn't look too bad right now, it doesn't hold the same weight as my other favorite mascara. So for me, it's a no-go. But again, if I want to use it quickly, I'll probably end up reaching out to it. But it's quite nice. So again, $9.99 is not bad for a Maybelline mascara, to be honest. And for someone who would probably have less rebellious lashes, more of a slight curl in their lashes, I think this will be a perfect mascara for you, honestly. But for me, it's a shame. I've got really long, straight Asian lashes, and they just don't cooperate with me, you know, so I have to manually do that with these little things here. And yeah, again, take a look at my L'Oreal Extreme Resist video. You will literally see the difference. If I can get a screenshot, I'll put that screenshot in, but if you want to see the whole video, I've already linked it up top here. So yeah, you will literally see the difference between the two. But again, yeah, it's a simple, nice look. I've seen 2 TikToks, I think. And yeah, I mean, they make their lashes look amazing, but again, we all got different lashes. So yeah, I think that would be my review for today. Nice, affordable, does well if your lashes you know, work with you. If they don't, maybe consider waiting for a waterproof one or trying out the L'Oreal one. So yeah, that is me today. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.